Welcome back here on this Thursday afternoon. You look at the flag flying around there. You can just almost feel how cold it is out there by looking at the gray, by looking at that flag whipping around there. The wind has definitely picked up since this time yesterday, and it will continue to get stronger at times over the next several days. Right now we're sitting at 4 in Fargo, but with that wind chill, it feels like 13 below. Grand Forks sure at 1 above with a wind chill of 17 below. We've already got a couple areas there. Jamestown, Devil's Lake, where we are below zero temperature-wise and well below in the 20s below when you're talking about those wind chill values. So take a look at our first alert roundup here. We've got 3 days on the radar. We've got, first of all, tonight, light snow areas north, and we're looking at areas of blowing and drifting snow. And of course, that frigid air continues to settle in. Then we go to Saturday. Light snow, especially earlier through about midday. The winds will increase even more so, significantly reducing that visibility. We're talking about dangerous wind chills. And then we're keeping Sunday there as your coldest of all the very cold days with the dangerous wind chill. Let's take a look at our winter weather alerts right now. This goes for about another hour, a little less than an hour. Blizzard warning through 6 p.m. And again, you've got some light snow coming down, that wind really whipping around, whipping that snow around, just very frigid out there. Wind, or I should say winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. as you head a little bit south of that. And of course, we've got that wind chill advisory, Devil's Lake, Jamestown continuing in those areas as well. Visibility, it is poor in those areas where we do have the blizzard warning. And again, that's that reduced visibility out there with the snow blowing around, causing in some areas near whiteout conditions. So be very careful if you are having to travel, and if you can just stay indoors, do so. Temperatures right now, this black marker there kind of indicates where we're seeing temperatures below freezing, or I should say below zero and above zero. 1 in Grand Forks, 8 below right now, Langdon, 5 below in Devil's Lake, 1 below in Jamestown. Now let's take a look at the wind chill index right here. Feels like 30 below in Langdon. Feels like 17 below in Grand Forks, 24 below Devil's Lake. Again, just no matter where you're at right now in the region, it feels very cold out there. First alert forecast, we've got our temperatures in the white, the wind chill values in the pink color there, and you can see temperatures dropping off. We mentioned in Fargo just a few minutes ago how temperatures haven't been 0 or below in 288 days. That's going to change within the next several hours, and all areas going to jump down below freezing. I keep saying freezing. It is freezing out there for sure. Below zero as we head through the overnight hours. And those wind chills are going to be in the 20 below to 30 below range. Some areas actually dropping even below 30 below with that wind chill. And that'll be the case tomorrow as well, as that wind out of the north continues to just pour into the region. Tomorrow morning lows, we're looking at temperatures again single digits below zero in most areas. Tomorrow afternoon's highs single digits. And Saturday, again, that second first alert weather day right now we have a call for. We've got a little clipper moving through, bringing snow and wind along with that dangerous wind chill. Expected accumulations generally on the light side, 1 to maybe as much as 3 inches, but most areas are not going to see 3 inches as this clipper moves through. But what it is going to do is just add enough snow out there in some areas along with that wind to give us those blizzard type conditions, the poor visibility, near whiteout conditions. We'll look at our temperatures again. Notice, Justin, it's windy Friday right through Wednesday. Those temperatures where they're sitting, that wind chill value again going to continue to be 15, 20, 30, some areas even below 30, below zero.
If there's any consolation in all this cold temperatures, what I've noticed, a lot of the country right now is seeing well below average temperatures.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a consolation, but it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel a little better. You're not alone in your misery.
You're right. You're right about
you have
that.
company.
I don't want to take that away from Justin.
Thanks, Russ.
Sure.
Turns out zebrafish don't just belong in the water. Find out next what scientists are using them for.